In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove and change image background in Microsoft Word. If you've ever inserted a picture into your document and wanted to remove the background or replace it with something cleaner and more professional, Microsoft Word has a built-in tool that makes this process fast and surprisingly easy. You don't need advanced photo editing software. Everything can be done directly inside Word. To get started, open your Microsoft Word document and insert the image you want to edit. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, click on Pictures, and choose the image from your device. Once the image appears in your document, click on it to select it. When the image is selected, a new tab called Picture Format will appear in the ribbon. Now, go to the Picture Format tab and click on Remove Background. As soon as you click it, Word will automatically highlight the areas it believes are the background in a purple or pink color. This preview shows what will be removed. In many cases, Word does a good job automatically, but you can refine the selection if needed. If parts of the image you want to keep are marked for removal, click on Mark Areas to Keep, then draw over those sections. If there are areas that should be removed but were not selected, click on Mark Areas to Remove and highlight those parts. Take your time adjusting until the preview looks correct. When you're satisfied, click Keep Changes. The background will instantly disappear, leaving only the main subject of your image. Now, if you want to change the background instead of leaving it blank, you have a few options. You can insert a shape behind the image by going to Insert, selecting Shapes, and choosing a rectangle. Resize it to fit behind your image, then right-click the shape and choose Send to Back. You can fill the shape with a solid color, gradient, or even another picture by using the Shape Fill option. You can also place your edited image on top of another background image by inserting a second picture and arranging the layers using the Wrap Text and Send Backward options. This allows you to create a completely new visual effect within your document. And that's it. By using the Remove Background tool and simple layering techniques, you can quickly remove and change image backgrounds directly in Microsoft Word without needing extra software. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.